Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is heights and distances. As we know that height and distance is very important application of trigonometry. Trigonometry enables us to find the height of any tall objects and the distance between 2 points without actually measuring them. Before going further, we will discuss few important terms related to the height and distances. First is line of sight or line of vision. Second is angle of elevation. Third is angle of depression. Line of sight or line of vision. Suppose we are viewing any objects. The line of sight is a straight line from our eyes to the object. It's known as the line of sight. The next term is angle of elevation. If the observer is viewing any object and the object is above the horizontal line of the eye of observer, then the observer has to lift up his head to view the object. During this process, the eye of the observer moves through an angle which is known as the angle of elevation. In this given figure, A is the location of the object, eye of the observer is E, EB is the horizontal line of the eye of observer. Here, the location of the object is above the horizontal line of the eye of the observer. That's why angle of elevation is forming. Angle of elevation is theta, that is angle AEB is equal to theta, and line of sight is EA. Line of sight means the straight line from the eye to the object. Angle of depression. When the object is located below the horizontal line of the eye of the observer, then the observer has to turn his head downwards to see the object. During this process, the eye of the observer moves through an angle which is known as the angle of depression. Here is the definition. If the object is below the horizontal line of the observer eye, then he has to turn his head downwards to view the object. In this process, the eye moves through an angle. This angle is known as the angle of depression. Suppose the location of the object is A. E is the eye of the observer. The horizontal line of the eye of the observer is BE, and the location of the object is below the horizontal line of the eye of the observer. So the angle of depression is forming. Angle of depression. This is the theta is the angle of depression. Point A is the location of object. This is the object which is below the horizontal line of the eye of the observer. E is the eye of the observer. E, point E shows the eye of the observer. EB is the horizontal line of the eye. EB is the horizontal line of the eye of the object. E is the line of sight. EA is the line of sight which is downwards direction, and angle BEA is the angle of depression, that is theta. First question is, a tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground 20 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. What is the height of the tower? First of all, we need the diagram. In the given diagram, AB is the tower, height of the tower is AB, which is not known, so we assume that AB is equal to H meter. B is the foot of the tower, C is the point which is 20 meter away from the foot of the tower. It means BC is equal to 20 meter. And angle of elevation from point C to A with this horizontal line is equal to 60 degree. AB is the height of the tower, let AB be H meter. Second is BC is equal to 20 meter, which is given. Angle of elevation from point C to top of tower angle of elevation from point C to top of the tower A with horizontal line BC is equal to 60 degree. In right triangle, EBC then 60 degrees is equal to AB upon we consider this triangle tan 60 degree is equal to AB upon BC, means perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is not known but base is known and tan 60 is also known. So instead of AB we put H and BC is equal to 20. Now placing the value of tan 60 degree, root 3 is equal to H upon 20, which gives H is equal to 20 root 3. It means height of the tower is this is the solution.